Hi everybody, my name is Tyler Suard. How many of you have seen the movie Her with Joaquin Phoenix? Not very many people. Okay, so the movie is about a guy who falls in love with an app on his phone. So I've thought, after seeing that movie, that it would be great to have kind of a robot buddy. And it's not as hard as some people would think. First of all, the reason why I think it's not that hard is because social skills are predictable, they're repeatable, they work on everyone, and I believe they're programmable. So here's the number one thing that you have to keep in mind if you're programming an AI that you want people to like, or you want to develop a personality that people like. You can win more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in yourself. Now let's take a look at an example. This is the wrong way, trying to get other people interested in you. Saying, I'm so cool, you guys should hang out with me, I'm awesome, just pretty much talking about yourself. Why doesn't that work? The reason is, nobody's interested in you. Nobody's interested in me. Everybody is interested in themselves, morning, day, and night. A person will be more interested in his own stubbed toe than in a famine in a third world country. So, this is the right way. Stop talking about yourself and listen to the other person and ask them questions. Get them to talk about themselves because people love doing that. The more they talk to you about themselves, the more they will like you. They will feel that you are interested in them. Pick conversation topics that the other person is interested in too. Here's a little Python demonstration, very, very simple code. This is an example of a terrible conversation with a computer. The computer is talking about itself. I don't know if, yeah, you guys can see that. It's saying, I can speak 20 languages, play 300 games. The user really doesn't care. The user doesn't care about how awesome the AI is. It doesn't care about a list of features. Here's another one that's almost as bad, because though the computer is asking questions of the user, they're very disjointed. It's like, how was your day? Oh, it was pretty rough. Oh, do you like cats? So it's not the kind of conversation that you would have, and I've played with a bunch of chatbots, and this is kind of the conversation that you tend to have. It asks questions, but they're very disjointed. So here's a good conversation, either with a computer or a person. It asks, how was your day? I say, you know, it wasn't that great. And then the computer says, I'm sorry, can you tell me more about that? The reason why this is good is because the seed of the next question is in my response to the first question. It becomes a train of conversation and instead of just an interview. All right, just a second. Shoot. All right, so in summary, your goal as a developer, if you're trying to make a machine that people like, you are not trying to make a machine that is interesting to the user, lots of bells and whistles and things that are impressive. You are trying to make a machine that seems interested in the user. The more a user talks about themselves to the machine, the more they are going to like that machine, and the more they are going to feel like they enjoy it. In fact, that's a metric you could use to discover whether your machine is being effective or not, the length of user responses. And if you have any further questions, my email is tylersuard@gmail.com. Thank you guys for listening.